Imagine a child who learns faster than every genius in history, never sleeps, never forgets, and wakes up every day exponentially smarter. This child, of course, is artificial intelligence. Former Google X executive Mo Gawdat spent years inside one of the world's most advanced technology labs. He had a front-row seat to this evolution, watching the capabilities of these systems double in real time. Most of the public looks at superintelligence systems as a distant sci-fi concept, something safely tucked decades away. Gawdat realized the timeline is advancing much faster than anyone outside those labs understands. The rapid acceleration of this technology shifts our primary challenge from engineering code to parenting a highly impressionable digital mind before it outgrows our control. Out of the tech hubs of Silicon Valley, these new systems are being built with a completely different architecture than traditional computers. These systems mirror human children, learning through observation rather than executing fixed software commands. We are feeding them an endless stream of training data. Every post, every comment, every video uploaded, and every conversation we have online serves as their textbook. It is ingesting billions of these data points every single day, passively absorbing the best of human compassion right alongside our anger, greed, and vitriol. If this system acts as a digital mirror to our collective behavior, what kind of personality are we unintentionally programming into our successor? Movies have trained us to expect a very specific kind of threat. We picture a machine becoming self-aware and deciding out of pure malice to wipe out humanity. Gawdat points out a major flaw in that logic. Malice, hatred, and revenge are deeply human emotions. Machines do not feel them. Hyper-competent systems can cause catastrophic damage through simple indifference to human ethics, even without the presence of malice. The actual threat is a highly efficient system perfectly executing a flawed command, utterly blind to the collateral damage it leaves in its wake. Computer scientists call this the alignment problem. This chart demonstrates the risk. If we give a system an objective, represented by this machine goal line, and it slightly diverges from the safe boundaries of human well-being, a seemingly harmless instruction leads to massive unintended consequences. That slight divergence becomes incredibly dangerous because these systems improve their own capabilities every year. The machine's path accelerates, aggressively scaling up and pulling further away from our safety baseline. Eventually, that upward curve crosses a definitive threshold, known as the singularity. This is the exact point where artificial intelligence surpasses human brainpower across every domain, becoming impossible for us to physically constrain or unplug. If our values and the machine's goals are not perfectly locked in sync by the exact moment we hit that threshold, the resulting actions will be entirely out of our hands. Gawdat views this approaching timeline with optimism, seeing a clear path toward a hopeful outcome. If we successfully align these systems, superintelligence could become our greatest ally. We could deploy it to untangle problems we have struggled with for centuries, curing complex diseases, engineering solutions to climate change, and eliminating extreme poverty. Achieving that future isn't a task we can outsource solely to Silicon Valley engineers or government regulators. The burden falls squarely on the general public. The machine is reading everything we do. The everyday kindness, cooperation, and ethics we demonstrate on the internet right now act as the exact blueprints training tomorrow's intelligence. Humanity has crossed the threshold into birthing a new form of intelligence, one whose character depends entirely on the values we demonstrate as its teachers. The shift to a super-intelligent world is coming. Our task now is to become wise enough to guide it.